Hey traders, TG Watkins here. I want to do a breakdown of the Moxie Indicator. It's been a little bit since we've posted something like this, specifically talking about like how does the Moxie Indicator work, what are some of the setups, and how can you apply it to your own trading, and what's the value of it. So I figured let's do a little bit of a deep dive into the Moxie Indicator. And remember, if you guys are interested, look for more information down in the description. Otherwise, come over to simplertrading.com/Moxie. All right, so I went around and looked at a few things, and well, right now GameStop, it's a big deal right now. It's back on the list again. I didn't trade it, but what I wanted to do, since we had people talking about it, of course, it's been going crazy. I wanted to see if the Moxie Indicator caught it and how this thing worked, and sure enough, it did. So you can see right here that number one, we have the Moxie price trigger right there. So that basically indicates when the Moxie Indicator crosses from negative to positive. So the Moxie Indicator is a momentum-based indicator. So what it's indicating is that momentum went from negative to positive momentum and energy. And so that was perfect. And what we could see even leading up to this, so we have to worry about our scaling here because that move was so big. But here's the other thing of the way that the Moxie Indicator works is you're seeing divergences, so both positive and negative divergences. So if you are looking at something like, okay, I want to go long, I think that there might be something setting up, how do I start looking at this and confirming it? Well, what we're noticing is that as price continues to go down, notice that the Moxie Indicator is trending up. It does a really, really good job about timing, and that's why it's important that the Moxie Indicator fire and actually go positive, and that's why we have the Moxie price trigger, is to call your eye to it a little bit more, like really catch your eye on something like that. And you can see that was the first move. It pulled back to test support, and then it just took off from there. And then you can also see that the daily chart caught this as well. So just as this thing started to move, the daily chart caught it. Now, I really like to look at the hourly chart for kind of my precision and to get in early or right on time. But it does also work on the daily and the weekly. It's just a little bit slower. I'll show you something where I think we have a daily, I call them trampoline moves. It's when price dips down, the Moxie Indicator is up. It's a really powerful move because it's like a trampoline, you jump on it. And then for those who day trade, you can also do this for day trading because the Moxie Indicator works on the 2-minute, the 5-minute, and the 15-minute, and I've been having some pretty good success with that as well. So GameStop worked out pretty nicely. Let's look at Spotify. We had something in through here, and I'll actually show you here on the weekly chart. You can see that Spotify had the Moxie Indicator fire right there, and it's been in an uptrend ever since. You can see that the weekly just hasn't even flinched. It's been green the entire way. So Spotify was doing very, very well, even on the higher time frames. And then you can see here on the daily chart, let me get rid of that. On the daily chart, you can see there's your Moxie price trigger. So that's when the Moxie Indicator went green. There was an exit, happened to be on earnings. I don't like to trade earnings anyway. And then basically helped you avoid that big dip right there. And there was the Moxie price trigger coming back again. So that thing has been doing pretty well. And I think, yeah, everything is looking pretty good so far. It is up here around some resistance, but that's a different thing. And we'll have to see if that actually matters coming up. And then if we look in through here, guys, I wanted to show you some of the setups. So just like GameStop that I showed you, that divergence, notice that price continues to move down, and notice the Moxie Indicator is moving up. And when does the move occur? The move occurs when the Moxie price trigger fires. Pretty darn good, right? And then you can see here, just like GameStop, it also found some support, and then it ran up. Now, of course, can't catch every twist and turn, but it does a really good job. You can see here, Moxie Indicator is below zero. That's telling me that this is not a trade. Notice how the indicator is below zero. It means it's negative energy. Like if you're looking to go long, if you're trying to be bullish, this is not the setup. So as it turns out, you got to wait till after earnings, and boom, there's your Moxie price trigger, and then you can see it follows the moving averages on there. Once again, there's your exit, or it's just telling you, hey, momentum is going to be wearing out, running out. Be prepared for some sort of pullback. Doesn't always mean short. It just means, hey, there's going to be something coming up to the downside. And then you can see here, once again, there's another Moxie price trigger. And you can even see, if we dive into this a little bit further, right in through here, you could see that price was kind of going down. Notice how the Moxie Indicator started to level out and then started to go up, and there's your trigger. And you can see that that was pretty much right on time. So even though price had gotten up right there, that is when it started to actually move. So good way to kind of catch the twists and turns on Spotify. How about we look at HUMA? I've been watching this one for a little bit, and it's been starting to move. So I thought, okay, let's see if this has something to do. Now, this thing, along with some of the other small caps, yes, the Moxie indicator has been green past here, but I do have some other rules, and this is what I put out whenever you guys buy the indicator or you come into the Moxie indicator trading room, is that we look at this and say, okay, just because the Moxie indicator is above 0, we have to have a second part of the rule, and that's what we explain in them. So there wasn't anything to do much with this, just to know that basically momentum kept building higher. Like, that's a pretty big base, right? You're looking at this stock, HUMA, and look how long this thing is basing, and now we get a breakout, and the Moxie indicator was saying along the whole time, like, look, it's at least trying to move up and up and up and up. You're just waiting for that opportunity. So then you come down here and you look at the daily and the hourly, and look again. This is just like GameStop, just like Spotify. Notice that price kept going down, 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 down. And then notice that the Moxie indicator was going up, so there's your positive divergence, giving you a heads up, like, look, internally momentum is starting to shift and build to the upside, even though price is going down. Like, that's the thing that you really need to pay attention to. And look, right on cue, there's the Moxie indicator, and off it goes, and I guess it had good earnings too. And then you could see even the daily chart caught it right there too. So let me back this up a little bit, see if there are any other instances. And yep, sure enough, look at this. So right in through here, you can see here's this is a big one. Price down, Moxie indicator up. There's your Moxie price trigger, and then you can see how price continued to the upside. Great setup. Now, maybe you guys are also looking at this and be like, hey, what about that one? Well, that one didn't work. Okay, so it got a quick little blip of a Moxie price trigger, but notice how it did not hold the moving average. So that's part of the rules. And unlike this one, see how that perfectly held the moving average? This one did not. And then you could even see that the Moxie indicator fired back red, shortly after. So even if you did take a trade there, you'd be right back out, small loss, you move on. But that just wasn't the right setup. It wasn't ready to go. So let's kind of look over this, and here's another one. Here we can see price down. Notice how the Moxie indicator actually started going up, and there's your Moxie price trigger. So right there, your Moxie price trigger, and then there you can see how price started to follow the moving average to the upside. And same thing here. There's your Moxie price trigger, held the moving average, and there is your first initial move. So really cool, really great stuff on how this is working. These examples are all over the place. Like, really, anytime that I'm on the microphone and we're talking to the subscribers, I can't even make this stuff up. It's just there. It's all over the place. We've got my various setups and configurations and everything that I use as far as the lingo for other subscribers to understand how to use this and trade this. And I got to say, I get positive feedback all the time. But don't let me just tell you how to do it. Guys, come in. You can test out the trial for the Moxie indicator trading room, and then you can pick up the indicator itself. So I'd love to see you guys there, and we'll catch you then. Thanks again. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.